Today, more demands from activists involved in those pro-Palestine protests at UNC Chapel Hill, as some of them were back in court. Good afternoon. I'm Bill Young.
And I'm Liz Ortiz. CBS 17's Dina Harley joins us live now from Chapel Hill. And Dina, some organizers getting together before that hearing.
Yeah, hey, Bill and Liz, they were out in the plaza here outside of the courthouse earlier this morning. They're demanding now that the university cut all ties with Israel or cut ties with companies associated with Israel. They're also demanding that all of those charges against all of those protesters be dropped immediately.
There is no justice in this courthouse.
Protesters and activists outside of the Chapel Hill courthouse on Tuesday morning as 6 people face charges related to a massive protest at UNC Chapel Hill in April.
Some argue that genocide in Palestine has nothing to do with us, but the reality is the opposite.
The 6 people were arrested earlier this year after activists and police clashed on UNC's campus. But on Tuesday, some of those organizers say it's just a tactic to get them to turn their focus from the conflict in Gaza.
We will not let that happen. As we fight for our charges to be dropped, we remain focused on the goal of Palestinian liberation. And we hope to leverage our current situation to galvanize further support for our movement.
The activists are demanding UNC Chapel Hill break all ties with Israel or companies associated with Israel, and that the charges against those 6 protesters be dropped. In court on Tuesday, all 6 of them were offered plea deals, but an attorney representing them says they have no plans to accept any deals right now.
We will not move on until all of us are free from the grip of the injustice system, and a collective defense is the best way to get there.
Now, all of those cases today inside of the courtroom were continued as those defendants continued to talk more about those plea deals. But again, as you heard, they say they do not plan to accept any deals right now. All of them are due back here in court next month. Live in Chapel Hill, Dina Harley, CBS 17 News.
All right, Dina, thanks so much.